Good morning, students. Let's start today's video with the syllabus for the 2020 to 2021 for the class 12th. So let's start with the part A that carry 40 marks and that divided into two parts, reading comprehension that carry 20 marks. Multiple choice questions based on one unseen passage to assess comprehension, interpretation and inference. Vocabulary and inference of meaning will also be assessed. The passage may be factual, descriptive or literary. 10 out of 11 questions to be done. Means total you have given 11 questions and you had to attempt 10 and each question carry 1 mark. Meaning the first question you have asked multiple choice questions and that carry 10 marks. Now the second part, MCQs are asked in this based on one unseen case based factual passage with verbal visual inputs like statistical data, charts, newspaper report, etc. 10 out of 11 questions to be done and same thing, 11 questions to be asked and you must have to attempt 10 questions. So that carry 10 marks. The combined word limit for both the passages will be 700 to 750 words. Literature, multiple choice question based on two prose extract, one each from the books Flamingo and Vistas. To assess comprehension appreciation, refer to the lines to the answer questions based on given extract. Any 2 out of 3 to be done. Means MCQ should be asked or there are 3 extract and you have to attempt 2 and each extract carry 4 marks total. The 2 extract that is taken from the Flamingo or the Vistas book that carry 8 marks. Next one is multiple choice question based on poetry extract from the book Flamingo to assess comprehension, analysis and inferences. Refer to the lines the answers question based on the given extract. 1 out of 2 extract to be done. What is the different here from the earlier question? It is different that should be that have to be asked from the Flamingo and Vistas and this is asked from the poetry section and poetry is included in the Flamingo book. There are 2 extract and you have to attempt only 1 and that carry 4 marks. Next one is text based questions to assess comprehension, analysis, inferences and interpretation from the books Flamingo and Vistas. 8 out of 10 questions should be done. Means total 10 questions is asked from the Flamingo and Vistas book and you have to attempt total 8 and each question carry 1 mark, so that's why you get 8 marks. Next part B, subjective questions 40 marks. Writing section, in the writing section carry total 16 marks. So in the short writing task, notice advertisement up to 50 words, 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered. So notice or advertisement, there are only two questions and you have to attempt 1. It would be both 2 are the notice and both 2 are the advertisement as the examiner comfortable. So that carry 3 marks. Format carry 1 mark, content 1 mark, expression carry 1 mark. Next question second, short writing task, formal, informal invitation and reply up to 50 words. 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered and that carry 3 marks. Format 1, content 1, expression 1. Next is question third, Letters based on verbal visual input to be answered in approximately 120 to 150 words. Letters type include application for a job, letters to editor, or opinion on issue of public interest, and these are the letters. You have two questions, and from the two you have to attempt one letter, any one, and that letter carry 5 marks, and 5 marks divided according to the format 1, content 2, and expression 2. Next, after in the question 4th, article or report, descriptive and analytic in nature based on verbal inputs to be answered in 120 to 150 words. One out of the two questions to be answered, 5 marks, it carry 5 marks. Article or report writing, that carry format 1 mark, content 2, expression 2. Next we will discuss the literature section, that carry 24 marks. Five short answer type questions out of 6 from the prose and poetry from the book Flamingo. Means you had asked 5 short answer type questions, and you have given 6, and you have to attempt 5, any 5. From which book? From the prose and poetry both, from the Flamingo. To be answered in 30 to 40 words. Questions should be elected, inferential responses, thought critical work, critical thinking, and each question carry 2 marks. So that's why you get 10 marks. Next, question number 7. 2 short answer type questions out of 3 from the prose vistas to be answered in 30 to 40 words. Questions should elect inferential responses, thought critical thinking. 2 short answer type questions asked from the book Vistas, and the question carry 2 marks, and 2 questions is asked, so you got 4 marks in this question. Next, question number 8. 1 long answer type question from the book from the prose or poetry from the Flamingo book to be answered in 120 to 150 words to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Questions to be provide evaluative and analytic responses using incidents, events, themes as reference points. Any 1 out of 2 questions should be done, and that carry 5 marks. Means you have to attempt any 1 question, 1 long question, and that carry 5 marks. Next, that is asked from the Flamingo book, including prose and poetry. Next, question number 9. 1 long answer type question based on the chapters from the book Vistas to be answered in 120 to 150 words. 1 long question from Vistas, comprehension and exploitation beyond the text. Question to be provide evaluative analytic responses using incidents, events, themes as reference points. Any 1 out of the 2 questions to be done. So 1 long question carry 5 marks from the Vistas book. Next, prescribed books are Flamingo and Vistas. Now we will discuss the deleted topic also. And in the reading part, note making and summarize is deleted. Remember these things, these are the deleted topics. From the Flamingo book, Poet Pancakes, The Interview, Going Places, and the poem Roadside Stand, these are also deleted. And Vistas, The Tiger King, The Journey to the End of Earth, Memories of Childhood, these are deleted. And from the writing part, poster making, business or official letters for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving information, placing orders and sending replies, these letters are deleted. And speech and debate, these topics are deleted. Now you can see the question paper design of 2020 to 21, English core 12th syllabus, code number 301, reading comprehension, that carry total marks 20, creative writing skills that carry total marks 16, literature and Literature textbook and supplementary reading text that carry 44 marks and the total the 80 marks. These are the internal assessment marks, and this year these are giving according to the your work homework you had sent to me, means your further class teacher or your further subject, especially according to me, I will give these marks, these 20 marks only to those students who send me homework regularly. Those students who do not send homework regularly, I definitely do not give you these 20 marks. These 20 marks in your hand, you can write down or complete your homework and send me regularly without any reminder if you want to get these 20 marks. So by this you get 100 marks. In this video we had described which topics are deleted, in which questions which type of questions is asked, and I hope it's clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.